Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Small Woodlot. Well, this weekend, we had a little bit of a different adventure over at the farm. We had to go ahead and replace the battery in the skid steer and a few other chores of making room for new incoming vehicle. And well, we are definitely working at it today. I had Chris here doing the wrenching work on the battery, and let's keep in mind it was about 20 degrees outside when we're doing this, so I wasn't feeling fully up to everything. But later on in the video you'll see that I had something else going on and running through my mind. Well, here we go. Y'all remember the video or the television series Mr. Ed? Well, Chris got his taste of Mr. Ed a little bit, and all that kept going through my mind is, a horse is a horse, of course, and less of a course, the horse, of course, is Mr. Ed. But we had some fun with it when we brought the old buggy out, and we got that taken care of. And then we had to move a few other things around inside the garage, like this old truck. And yeah, that's an old Texaco tanker back there. I hope you enjoy seeing everything. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find something to dub in here for voices. But we weren't concerned too much about that. But this is showing you, I got to move this vehicle about 3 feet over to the one side. And we tried it a few different ways, but then we finally got it to go by putting the sideways rollers onto it. And, well, then when it came to the back end, it was a different story. Sometimes putting the pump jack underneath it and giving it a twist just works great. That's what I was doing here. A couple times I had that thing moved over the 3 feet that it needed to be moved over. And we moved over the dump truck over on the other side as well. And well, like I said, some days you just feel like you got to horse around a little bit, and you'll see what I'm talking about here shortly. Enjoy.
I'm sorry, what?
Or the brakes if they work.
Want to try?
Yeah.
No, they don't work.
Okay. At least we know now.
Car coming. That's a big hill for such a puny horse.
That's all I got.
Okay, it's now resting where it's going to rest for a while. Just had its first run in 5 years with me being the mule. Have a good one. Okay, now we're back for some more roadside firewood. I got all this to get out of here. And this down here. All the way on up to that stump.